Hello there, welcome to our channel Tutorial Guru again. Hope you're doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to record using your OBS Studio. And now, without further ado, let's start right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Now, to record videos on your computer using your OBS Studio, first download and install it from the OBS Studio's official website. And after installing it, open it, and you can see, guys, I have already opened the OBS Studio over here. Now, to record your videos, you can see the scenes tab on here, which is the left side, your sources over here, and after that your audio mixer over here, scene transitions over here, and your controls over here. And to record a video, first start add a scene over here. Right click on any empty spaces anywhere under the tab of scenes, add, and you'll be able to add a scene. And you can see, guys, we are currently recording this video on a scene over here. And after adding a scene, you'll be required to enter your source of your video media or your audio media. How to add your sources? You'll be first required to right click on the sources empty space of the sources panel, and you can see when you hover over at all these media sources will be available to you, of which you want to record the video, from window capture, video capture to VLC media, and all these. Let's go with window capture over here, and let's choose a website. You can see I'm currently seeing this video on my studio, and let's minimize it. And you can see, guys, if you add two window capture or two capture devices or two sources, it will be on your composition panel over here, and you can resize them, bring them forward, back, whatever you like. But I'll not be showing you how to optimize the composition panel because it's more than on this video. And after entering your sources, you will be required to mix your audio. This is the desktop audio, this is the mic aux, and you can see you can go to the advanced properties and mix it from over here also. And let's close this. And after mixing your audio, adding your source, if you want to apply scene transitions to your video or the scene, you can see the scene transitions available over here. These scene transitions will be enabled on this scene currently on which we are recording, and you can add a lot of scene transition from over here. And after that, after setting up these panels, you can click on start record to over with the button will be available over here. Since I'm recording this video currently, there is no record button but stop record button, but you will be shown the start recording button available over here. Click on start, and you will be able to start record your video on OBS. And if you want to change your video streaming setting, click on settings, and under the tab of output you can see the recording, and you'll be able to optimize all of your video details from over here, including your file format, your recording path, your encoder, everything. And there, guys, this is how you record video on OBS Studio. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.